Good evening. I am Dr. Shilpa Khare. Today let us try to understand the concepts of testing of hypothesis. The field of inference is classified under two categories: estimation and testing of hypothesis. Both estimation and testing of hypothesis speak about the unknown value of the population parameter. Estimation can be further classified as point and interval estimate. Point estimate gives the exact value of the population parameter. For example, mu is equal to 5 or mu is equal to 10. Interval estimate specifies an interval that contains the value of the population parameter, mu lying between 5 and 10 or sigma square lying between 0.1 and 0.4 indicates an interval estimate of mu and sigma square. Statistical hypothesis can be understood as a claim made about one or more population parameters. For example, a drug manufacturer claims that the medicine given by him or the drug manufactured by him will give the maximum relief from an ailment. Similarly, a student of a college can claim that he will get above 90% marks in the examination. The claim made by the manufacturers or the student is accepted or rejected on the basis of evidence from the data. We understand a null hypothesis which is assumed to be true unless it is proved to be false. A null hypothesis is generally denoted by H0. The opposite of the null hypothesis is the alternative hypothesis, which is denoted by H1. H1 is simply the not equal to H0 or opposite of the null hypothesis. We understand what is known as a simple hypothesis is as that hypothesis which completely specifies the distribution of the parameter. For example, we say that H0 mu is equal to 5 or mu is equal to 10 clearly gives us the value of the parameter mu as 5 or 10. A composite hypothesis does not specify the distribution of the parameter completely. When we say H0 mu is greater than 5, the hypothesis is composite in nature because mu greater than 5 indicates that the parameter mu can take any value greater than 5. There is no certainty about the value taken by the parameter. We understand a test statistic as a function of sample observations on the basis of which we accept or reject the null hypothesis. We have to take a sample from the data, apply the test statistic and then decide as to where the sample point falls. Next comes in the concept of critical and acceptance region. Critical region is a subset of the sample space such that if a point falls in it, the null hypothesis H0 is rejected. And vice versa, we define an acceptance region as that region where if the point falls in the acceptance region, then the null hypothesis H0 will be accepted. In accepting and rejecting the null hypothesis, it is possible that there are two types of errors which occur. The type 1 error denoted by alpha occurs when we reject H0 when actually H0 is true and H0 should have been accepted. Type 2 error beta occurs when we accept H0 when actually H1 is true. In the sense, H1 should have been accepted but we are accepting H0. So such types of errors alpha and beta are the most commonly errors or mistakes that takes place when we accept or reject hypothesis. Power of the test can be defined as 1 minus beta or 1 minus probability of type 2 error. Power of the test represents the ability of the test to take a correct decision. Power of the test can be written as accept H1 when H1 is true. So we are accepting the correct hypothesis which is actually true, and therefore always power of the test is maximum. While controlling alpha and beta, it is not possible to simultaneously control or minimize both the errors of the testing of hypothesis. So we fix alpha generally at 5%, which we call as level of significance, and we try to minimize type 2 error, which is beta. When we are minimizing beta, obviously in turn we are maximizing the power, which is 1 minus beta. So power of the test is maximized and the errors alpha is fixed at 5% and beta is minimized. Thank you. Good evening. I am Dr. Shilpa Khare. Today let us try to understand the concepts of testing of hypothesis. The field of inference is classified under two broad categories: estimation and testing of hypothesis. Both estimation and testing of hypothesis speak about the unknown value of the population parameter. Estimation is further classified as point estimate and interval estimate. Point estimate gives the exact value of the population